Hi there. Later, Bigotty Catholic schools lose their legal fight to be bigotty. First though, a challenge to a ban on conversion therapy in Colorado and America is heard by the Supreme Court today. All to do with therapist and evangelical Christian Kaylee Childs, who just wants to help young queer people prioritise their faith above their feelings. Isn't that nice? Reckons not being allowed to try and convert them violates her free speech rights. Lauren A. Elkerson's from conservative Christian law firm Alliance Defending Freedom, which is representing Charles.
By censoring these counselors, they're taking away from these kids the opportunity to have clear, open counseling conversations where they can explore their own goals, which include realigning with their biological sex or dealing with their confusion over their identity. That's something that's good that kids need, and this law prevents that from happening.
Notice the words conversion therapy aren't mentioned. Crafty Christians. Half the US states ban the discredited practice on minors, but that goes out the window if judges side with Giles. The UK's CAS review of gender identity services for young people is being absolutely ripped to bits in the Medical Journal of Australia. A team of 15 clinicians and researchers say it lacks expertise, is compromised by implicit stigma, and doesn't give credible evidence-based guidance. Puberty blockers are now banned in the UK because of the report. The experts warn it should have no bearing on trans healthcare in Australia. And it's back to Colorado, where a couple of Catholic preschools are told they can't discriminate against queer children or kids with LGBTQ+ parents. Basically, if the two institutions want some of that sweet state funding, they have to accept pupils regardless of anyone's sexuality or gender identity. The schools in Denver had been arguing religious hostilities at play here, which is actually kind of true, it's just they're the ones instigating it. No time to tell you that Uruguay's Diversity March, one of the biggest queer rights demonstrations in Latin America, has seen thousands of people in the streets of Montevideo. And Australian gay country singer Michael Wars tied the knot with his partner TJ in matching cowboy hats. Leave us a review, please, and be adorable. I'm Kev McGraw. See you tomorrow.